Привіт-привіт, мої дорогі друзі! Мене звати Інна. My name is Inna. Welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In today's video lesson, I'm going to teach you the linking words in Ukrainian language. But before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. Ну що, почнімо? Let's get started. Linking words mean вставні слова. Вставні слова. You can ask me, Inna, what is that? I don't understand even in English. What does it mean? Let me explain you. So when you have a very good beginner level in Ukrainian language, you start making sentences. And when you have a compound sentences, it means they consist of two simple ones. For example, I like Ukrainian cuisine because it's delicious. I learn Ukrainian because it is beautiful. So, because, therefore, that's why, these words are linking words. So, let me teach you. So, the first one, тому, it means therefore. Тому. Наприклад, I was late for the train, therefore I stayed at home. Я запізнився на потяг, тому я лишився вдома. Я запізнився на потяг, тому я лишився вдома. And if you add the word що to the тому, let me say тому що, then it has a different meaning. Тому means therefore, тому що means because. Так, я люблю українську кухню, тому що вона смачна. Я люблю українську кухню, тому що вона смачна. So I gave you some examples and now you know what are the linking words and why it is important to know them. Because when you start speaking at more high level, it is very important for you. But if you tell me, Inna, I can't make sentences now, what should I do? Then, guys, I'm waiting you at my course from an absolute beginner to confident speaker. It will be launched on August 28th and the registration is open, so hurry up to reserve your spot because there, at this complete beginner course, I teach everything from scratch so we can repeat the alphabet, to practice your phonetics, then to learn all basic grammar, to learn how to build the sentences, and then you will be able to use the linking words. So I'm waiting for you there. Так, then, отже, it means so. Отже. Отже. Звичайно, of course. Звичайно. Наприклад, for example. Наприклад. And also one very important thing, so when you use the linking words in front of the sentence, in the middle of it, or no, at the end, we don't use it. We can put it at the beginning sometimes, or like for example, наприклад, так? Or when you put it in the middle, then you put comma in front of it and after it. It is very important. Але, it means but. Але. Або, it means or. Або. Оскільки, since. Оскільки. Внаслідок, as a result. Внаслідок. В той час як, while. В той час як. Далі. Також. It means also. By the way, this word, it has double stress, so you can say також, or you can say також. It is correct. I say також usually. Also, крім того, besides, крім того, besides, таким чином, thus, таким чином, навпаки, on the contrary, навпаки, з одного боку, on one hand, з одного боку, з іншого боку, on the other hand, з іншого боку. Okay, let's repeat all these linking words one more time. Please listen and repeat after me. Тому що, отже, звичайно, наприклад, але, або, оскільки, внаслідок, в той час, як, також, or також, крім того, таким чином, навпаки, з одного боку, з іншого боку. So your homework is to write some sentences using these linking words in the comments below, and I will check them out. So if you would like to learn some more linking words, I can record the second part of this video. Please let me know in the comments below, like this video. It is very important for me to get your feedback because, you know, I like teaching people, but when I record video lessons, I just need to talk to the camera and I don't understand if you pronounce this word correct, if you understand it very well, you know, it's a little bit complicated. So it is very important to know if you have any questions, if this lesson is easy or difficult. I appreciate to get your feedback. Guys, if you want to learn Ukrainian language and to be the master of it, then I would like to invite you to check out my online school Speak Ukrainian, the website speaky.com. There you will find an opportunity to buy a trial lesson just for $1. Get Ukrainian textbooks, flashcards. Please check out my app. It is also called Speak Ukrainian. My Instagram account, Speak Ukrainian Language. And I want to say special thank you to my supporters. Thank you for your donations. Thank you for supporting me on Patreon. Thank you for buying merch on my charity store. Buy t-shirt, Save Ukrainian Life. 100% money I sent to people from Kherson who suffered there from the missiles. There are missiles every day, and I can't imagine how my people live there. I have some relatives there, my uncle, aunt. They live in Kherson, and it's tough, but anyway, I appreciate your support so much. Thank you for supporting Ukraine, and Slava Україні!